Okay, so what we have here right now is the new motorcycle from Bristol. This is the SRV 600. Kaka-unveil lang kanina sa Makina Motor Show. Hindi pa siya release. Sabi sa akin is it will be released by July. The price point of 388,000. So nakita nyo dyan, this is a V-twin motorcycle, water cooled. Tapos naka forward control, dual exhaust. Dalawa dito sa left side, may dalawa sa right side. Quick specs, naka ABS, front and rear, dual piston calipers. Here may guard siya for the radiator. Medyo advanced na rin yung styling niya ng headlight. Normally for cruisers, round siya. This one's oblong. Pero LED, everything's LED here by the looks of it. LED from the headlight, LED signal lights. Looks like naka ride-by-wire siya. Adjustable fork. By the way, this is upside down fork ang gamit nila by Marzocchi. Marzocchi is a known brand na gumagawa ng mga shocks, and meron silang charger here, and this one's good material. Ganda siya. Plastic itong cover, pero ganda ng texture niya. Tapos chrome parts fitting for this kind of motorcycle. Chrome din yung brake lever, non-adjustable. But yeah, non-adjustable, and like what I said a while ago, adjustable damper for the shocks. TFT display, and you got the controls here for the mode, for the for the screen, hazard, horn, headlight, high, normal, high, flashing. Here, adjustable traction control, and the starter. This one's for selecting the mode. Non-adjustable brake lever. Yeah, non-adjustable brake lever, non-adjustable clutch. Pero on the stock niya, naka-bar end na. And here, yeah, adjustable rear shocks also. And this one, stock siya, walang pillion ride. But ang sabi naman nila, after the release, around 1 to 2 months, pwede rin sila magkaroon ng aftermarket na kakabit para magkaroon ng pillion seat. Okay, so again, this is the SRV 600, newest from Bristol Motor. Naka-belt drive din pala siya. There. So that's just a quick spec of what we have here. The looks of it talaga, pagdating namin, wow, ganda. It's a sakto yung size niya. It's not too small, it's not too big. And when I rode it a while ago, seems comfortable kasi nga forward control, but it's not too forward, not too extended. And yeah, good for cruising. And yeah, it looks like it's a good overall complete package from Bristol. They don't have the specs yet, kaya hindi ko rin mabigay sa inyo, but low ground clearance, talagang fitting for a cruiser. The tires they have here are CST tires. Let's see. This is 130 by 90 by 16 on the front. On the rear, that's 180 by 60 by 16. Okay. So there, this is the new motor for Bristol. Okay, can't wait for this to be properly or formally released in the dealerships, para rin makita natin kung ano talaga yung complete specs niya. But yeah, at a glance, this is what we have. Everything is, again, everything is LED, modern headlight. Hindi na siya yung typical, normally yung classic na round. Modern shocks, upside down forks, again from Marzocchi. ABS, dual piston calipers on the front, single on the rear. between configuration. Looks like a 90-degree between engine. So expect the torque to be there. I heard a while ago na maganda daw yung tunog nito. This is for the stock, and of course mas lalo na kapag sinalpakan natin ang aftermarket exhaust. The chromes are fitting, hindi siya OA tignan, unlike those others na nakita ko na ibang motorcycles. So here's the other side of the motorcycle. We don't have the specs yet for kung ganong kalaki yung capacity niya. But yeah, this looks really nice. Can't wait for if they will have a test ride for this bike. Can't wait to try it out.